So at least I read that somewhere. And so Yamuna has been stolen by Shakachud. You know Shakachud? He's in the Krishna book. It was on the Holy Purnima. And it's Rasa Purnima for the gopis, Vasant Ras. And they were playing holy at night. They met at night. It was Nisha Leela. And they're meeting at Govardhan, under the moonshine. Wild. Yeah. Because they had holy and then, because they can do any Leela, any day, any time, any place. It's not, Govinda Leela Mrita. It's just giving something to latch the mind onto in a systematic Sankhya type way, a krama. And this 24 minutes and that 24 minutes. It's called Dandatmika. And that's only many follow that, but not many, not all. Because Siddha Krishnadas in the 1860s, he kind of cut the lilas up into all 60 different dandas, because there's 60 dandas in 24 hours. A danda is a time measurement of 24 minutes, and one muhurta is 2 dandas. Muhurta is 48 minutes, and 24 and 24. So he has 60 dandas, and every 24 minutes, Radha and Krishna are performing about 9 pastimes. So it takes about, it can take hours to meditate on one pastime in one danda. So there's different systems of Leela Smaran and for different levels of devotees, and different gurus teach in different methods, and it's quite a complicated science. Leela Smaran, and very few gurus actually teach in a detailed way. And some disciples of gurus, they go deeply into it, and they even just teach others. And why? Because during the time of 1860, when Siddha Krishnadas was here, he was himself a Shiksha Guru for hundreds of Babajis and saints of Vrindavan who had their Siddha Pranali and Diksha, but their personal gurus were not teaching that, or at least say adept at that in a systematic way. So Siddha Krishnadas was a very systematic and intelligent Brahmin, and he wrote many books about bhajan in Bengali, Sadhana Amrita Chandrika and Bhavanasara Sangram and Gutika, many books. And then he would personally teach the devotees how to follow his system. And many modern acharyas also propagate that. Not all. That's very high level type of things.